Alright, this is the larger elevator at the Idea Factory, University of Maryland College Park. This is a brand new building. Down there, the main elevator is a Gen 2, but however this is a This is a traction install with a Hollister Whitney motor, which is a bit interesting. It has an 8,500 pound capacity, which obviously means it's to be used as a service elevator, or with ATIS elevators, by the way. So very interesting system going on in this building. I don't know why they didn't just go straight Gen 2. Here it is. The door's already messed up. I take it down to the basement. Yep. Hope you were able to hear that absolutely beautiful startup. Roof and floor Loctite, so we can go to 3. ST6016. So yeah, this is a brand new building. This has a firefighter's telephone cabinet like that of Fairfax County, Virginia. And we'll take this back down to 1. Hear that motor one more time. Here we are at 1. And there it goes. Hope you enjoyed.